Hey beauties! If you are struggling with acne and feeling frustrated because nothing seems to work, you are not alone. Here is something you might find surprising. Your acne could actually be tied to a nutrient deficiency, specifically zinc. This little mineral is super important for keeping your skin healthy and clear. Now, here is the kicker. Zinc deficiency is more common than you might think. If you are experiencing gut issues, have a sweet tooth, or your diet isn't the best, your zinc levels could be pretty low. But don't worry, there is a simple fix. Here are a couple of tips. Tip number 1 is start adding more zinc-rich food to your meals. Go for tasty options like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and various seafoods. These foods don't only taste great, but can really help your skin. The second tip is you could also look into zinc bis-glycinate supplements. It's known for being easily absorbed, but make sure to find the one that includes an ionophore. This helps zinc get into your cells more effectively, giving your skin a real boost in the fight against acne. So, if you have been dealing with breakouts and haven't thought of checking your zinc levels, now is the time. Your skin may just thank you for it. If you are curious and want to learn more about this topic, drop a comment below. I would love to chat. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Until next time, stay beautiful and inspired. Bye!